excited, Kermis.
Oh no, that's not. Oh,
Yes,
I
sure.
was just thinking to your elbow. You gotta move.
Step back, guys.
I sneezed and my mouth came in like this. I sneezed into my elbow.
There is
When you
excited.
Let's just not go in. Why don't we just go the old-fashioned way?
What did you say?
I mean, you can have.
Ay, now, pupunta kami, magko-cornmeal kami. With the kids. Si hi, Kian. With Andre too.
Hi.
Ah, hindi pala naka-video.
It is.
Ayun. May kasama ka. Okay.
You lead the way.
Oh,
Okay, I'm gonna go. I gotta go.
the cornmeal.
It says don't run on the path.
Oh, where are you guys going?
Down the map.
Oh, dito na kami sa cornmeal. We're starting. So, okay. What is that? Gate 2? I don't know kung saan kami pupunta. Sumusunod lang ako sa mga bata kasi kailangan may kasama sila. Kaya ako napunta dito.
Oh, he did it right.
Okay, we're gonna go there. Hmm? Okay. Okay, akyat kami dito. Here.
Thank you, Aiden.
Gonna go down. Eh, tama yung dinadaanan natin. Yeah. Yes. Person 6. Okay, I'm coming. I'm coming. I did not find it. Where are we going? Sa Alcorn. Maghahanap. Sana makakita ko ng okay. Pipitas. Where? You're there?
Yeah.
You find it? Okay, good. Napasama lang kasi walang magbabantay. Kasama sila.
The first national park. Gotta be.
Sakit ng paa ko. It's almost done! Woo! Ang hirap. Naglalakad ka na, nakamas pa. Ang hirap huminga. right, Kev? We're here? No?
But who the hell is President 04? George Washington, Ronald Reagan.
Okay. Oh my gosh. It's so tired. Exercise. I lost 2 pounds. We walk all around there. Ah, you were going back. We're back.
What the hell?
We're back. Yeah. Oh.
All we gotta do is follow the herd. Yeah, so we're at the heart. It looks like pretty sure it's toaster. Some sort of fancy toaster.
Okay. Where are we going? Galing kami dito. Hindi namin makita kung saan kami exit. Nahihilo na ako. Sa kakaikot, ang tagal na namin dito. Siguro mga 45 minutes na kami dito. Umiikot. Okay, we'll go back. Oh, lakas ng hangin. Dahan-dahan baka resort. Okay, let's go. Bibilis na mga kasama ko kasi mga bata. Patanda. Hindi namin makita kung saan kami i-exit.
All we need is a sun phone, right?
You got it, guys?
The sun phone is the last one, right?
Oh, Canada Foot. Be careful, guys. Slippery here.
Hey, you're cool. You're pretty cool. You're pretty cool.
Yeah. Oh. Oh.
Should we go
You know
up
what?
or
Where?
right?
Is it right? Yeah, right? Is there? Where? Where we go?
This is the right way.
There's a right way.
Oh, it's so bright.
Hindi namin mahanap yung ano, i-exitan namin. Ah, kanina pa kami. Pabalik-balik. Sana makita na namin. Sana ito na to.
Oh, there's the pool right there.
Nakita niya? Ah, okay. Maybe it's here. Oh, nandito na naman kami. Maputik dito, guys. Kasi umulan kahapon. Oh, this is number 1. Ay, 10? So, because it's a 1 and 0 down. Oh, okay, just 10. Or you're right. Yes, almost there. Ang bibilis nila, guys. Iniiwan nila ako. Ang lalayo na nila, tingnan nyo. Nandito na sila, nandun na sila. Ang bibilis nila. Yay, we got it. The exit is here. Yay, yay, the exit is here. Woo.
Yeah, we did it.
You did it. Okay. So it's a sticker. You're gonna get it. You got it sticker.
I survived the maze.
Iyan, bibili ng apple. Let's see. What do you want to? Buy some. Ito one.
Yeah, I'd rather get the candy apple. I don't really like it.
We're gonna get the apple.
Actually, gonna pick our own apples.
How many apples do you want? Iyan, you need to get some apple. Okay, you're gonna check something you're gonna buy. What do you want, E? You want a food? You're gonna buy food. You select. Here, there. Okay. Kia, you want that one, Kia? Pick one. Okay, don't. Sa donut, hold the Trishan. Where is it? Sige, nag-get sa donut, Trishan. Yeah, I like that. Gonna buy a lot. So, it's very high. That one is a white squash. Oh, so big. Both the one. Ito, you know, maybe sa gonna buy this one. Kasi pagkatapos, pwede kong gulayin. It's old. It's old, right? Yeah, maybe it's old. Yeah, kasi ito, nabubunok na siya. Bibili sana ako, kaya lang, ano na siya eh. Dito na lang sa inside. Bibili tayo ng pumpkin. Just mo ito. How much tayo? It's $2. Let's look at this one. Look at this one. Oh. It's so nice. About that one. See. Yeah. Look at why like that? Magkaganyan na siya. Hindi siya gonna buy inside. Sa apple bang. Just look at this. Ito mais. Isa corn. Isa mais. How much is that? Corn. 50 cents ang isa. Tapos ito. It's a white squash. The pumpkin. And then bibili kami nito. It's that one. It's the apple palm. So this is caramel, chocolate, caramel. It's everything. Okay, yan na pa yun. Okay, bayaran na natin. Bayaran na natin. Apple cider, babe? You want apple cider? Sarap to. It's the apple cider. Okay lang to sa car, right? Ganun ba to? This one or big one? Yeah, we're leaving from the corn maze. Alright, sana nag-enjoy kayo. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks, bye!